Okay, anyways, this is my third attempt to start this bike. For those that can see me, alright, I got the seat off of it, the shroud. I thought I'd mess around a little bit and see if I can get this old relic going. 1979 Yamaha XS 750, I do believe is what this is. Odometer reading is 08598, and she hasn't been running in a while. But anyways, I'm going to turn it to the run position. Kickstart now. We're not even doing anything else right now. So here goes. Oh, one. There. There you go. Not bad. 4,000 RPM. Alright, that's enough on that. There you go. And she only needs a little TLC now, I guess. Alright, that's been my video for the startup of the Yamaha XS 750 1979 model. Any takers, offer me a price. Bye.